This is the video walkthrough of the $12.99 floor plan with TwoTen communities. $12.99 is the approximate square footage of this single-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan. It's got a 2-car garage. Private entrances are located on the left and right wing of the duplex. They're not centered in the middle. But you're gonna have the high ceilings. Here's your living area. All stainless steel appliances. Granite countertops are a standard feature. And then you have your little, I wouldn't say little, it's a pretty sizable dining area to fit a 4 to 6 foot table. Plenty of countertop space. So I know we walked in through here. So when you walk in, your living space is to the left. Obviously kitchen right in front, dining. On the right wing of the home, you're gonna have your 2 junior bedrooms. Junior bedroom 1. And then you're gonna have junior bedroom 2. Okay. You get a linen closet, and then you get the shared full bath between the 2 bedrooms here in the hallway. When you come in through the garage, you get a little drop zone for coats, backpacks, shoes, and then you have a utility closet immediately to the right as you come in from the garage. Garage is a 2-car garage. You have your water heater out here. And you get a pretty good setback on your driveways. So now we're gonna walk in like if we're coming in from the garage. Okay, so we'll take a step back. Drop zone, utility, bathroom, 2 bedrooms, kitchen. We just walk past the dining, living here. Then you got a nice little tucked in master suite. You get a dual vanity, walk-in shower with a tiled backsplash. Okay. Got a linen closet. And then you also get a pretty sizable walk-in closet. Private fencing. As we go to the backyard, I'm gonna share. You get a private fence, sodded backyard with sprinklers, and you do get a patio, a covered patio. Not a bad setup. This is a single-story floor plan, 1,299 square feet, high ceilings throughout, xeriscaped in the front, with a full back covered patio. The other side is just mirrored, exactly the same, just flipped. This was the video walkthrough for the $12.99 square foot floor plan with TwoTen communities. Thank you for touring.